So I hope things go well this time. So we are actually overviewing the AUDUSD today. This is the 6 month chart and I'll be really quick. This leg took the liquidity of the previous leg here over here. So we'll be considering it as a strong leg, but there is a thing that this leg was not able to break this high. So basically for us it is a kind of a target now. So since it is a 6 month chart, we won't be trading it for the 6 months, one candle is of 6 months. So what we can see that the price is respecting the previous highs, still the liquidity. So let's make it as a strong high. So what are these for us? These are strong highs. Okay. Okay. Mark it with the green dots. Okay. And this is the green dot over here. Okay, fine. So for the recent thing, I mean the recent target for the monthly, we'll be choosing this thing. This as the target, this low as the target. So let's move to the monthly now for the better picture. So we can clearly see the price responded from this zone over here. It's falling and falling down, and this is here, and this is our target. Sorry about it. This is our target. So what our monthly shows that this high, this high has taken the liquidity of the previous highs over here. All the highs, if you can mark, let's mark it like this. So this high took the liquidity of the previous highs, and we have a target over here. It also broke the low over here, but it actually it sweeps. So let's consider it as a thing that market may want to go up. So we'll be alert for a bit. Let's move to the weekly then. So in weekly, uh, it is a clear cut close. So my sorry about it. My thought is pretty much clear that this is not a strong low or the liquidity taken low. So this is strong high for us. So now here, uh, let's see how things work here. The this low, this particular low, took the liquidity of all these lows over here and broke the high. So for us, it is a strong low, right? And the price broke here, go down. See how things worked. Like price again tried to break the high, but wasn't able to break the high, and finally it flipped over here. And you can clearly see that the flip which happened here, the price later spawned from this area. Okay, so we are coming from this area. Let's raise it, not forgetting, not to get confused. Price coming from this area, and we broke through it. We can clearly see that this push was responsible for the break, right? So let's jump into the daily. Let's see. So in daily, we are pretty much clear that that was a push in weekly. So let's change the visibility so that we don't need to see it in hours or something, well, because it will be messy. So now we are in daily and we have taken the liquidity over here. So it is a strong low. I mean strong high. Sorry about it. Strong high for us. And now what is our target for the daily? That is over here. And this will be the equal lows. This will be the lows which will be target. But let's see from where, actually where. Okay, so what do we have? From where did the my price reacted? So uh, we not only took liquidity over here, we also took liquidity over this zone. Okay, let's do this zone. Okay, so let's remove it. Okay. Let's skip it like this. Okay, let's keep it like this, and the price is reacting from this zone. Even took the liquidity of this zone. Nice. Took the liquidity of this zone. So for us, it was a strong high since it broke the low over here. Sorry about it. So broke the low over here. So what do we have? We have this candle responsible for the break, right? Because this one is the insider candle. So now what are we waiting for? Oh, sorry about it. We need it. We need it to be there. The week. 4 hours perhaps. Let's make it up. Okay. So what do we have now? We have a strong high in the daily. We have a strong high in the daily over here. The prices were respecting it. So let's make it like this. Price is respecting this order flow over here. I need to zoom it a bit. Okay, fine, yeah. Price is respecting it. I guess it has also taken the liquidity. Let's consider it as this, like, no, it's almost equal highs. And what we have, price has is targeting for this liquidity because there is no inducement in between. Like all of the orders must have been here who are doing SMC and all. So what are we actually thinking of doing here? Let's consider this as a zone, and if the market reacts at the zone, then we are gonna take our trades in the short side. We can see that there is no order flow unmitigated over here. Everything is almost mitigated. Everything is almost mitigated. So the direct target will be this area. These equal lows. Okay, sorry about it. These equal lows. Okay. So let's move to the 1 hour. Let's see. Okay, 1 hour is quite messy. Let's make it visible for only 4 hours or something. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. In 1 hour. It'll be really quick. So we took the liquidity of this area in 1 hour. This area actually is the whole one. Okay. So in 1 hour, it is somewhat confirming that we are in downtrend, and it has already started. So the price is violating this zone. It has already respect to this zone. So almost everything is mitigated here except this zone. So possibly the price can respond back to this zone and yeah, cross this zone. Let's get to the 30 minutes. Okay, sorry. Let's change the visibility of it. I need to do it again and again. No problem with that. Anyway, okay. Let's take it. Let's see. Okay, let's get to the 30 minutes. So what do we have? We have a pool of liquidity over here. Everything is almost mitigated. The last point which is unmitigated over here is this zone only. Okay. So most probably the price will return back and and get to the zone somewhere here, and either of these two zones the price will react back. Let's see. Okay, so we have taken the liquidity over here as trend line liquidity. Okay, so this is the overall analysis, and this is the only zone which is left unmitigated, and it has also taken liquidity of the previous highs. So this is overall markup, and the whole our whole target will be this low over here. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.